Melt 120 grams of couverture chocolate with 100 grams of unsalted butter. Microwave or double boiler. Stir until smooth. Cool slightly. Mix 2 eggs, 90 grams of sugar, some vanilla extract if you like, and add a pinch of salt. Pour melted chocolate and whisk slowly so the egg mixture stays smooth and creamy. Sift flour, cocoa powder and baking soda. Stir in the dry ingredient until there is no dry flour, but don't overmix. Little crumbs are okay. You can add 1 tablespoon of yogurt or sour cream for extra moisture. By the way, do you like soft muffins or the ones with a rich fuzzy bite? Let me know in the comments before we start baking. Fill 6 liners, 90% full. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. You can let it rest for 15 minutes for nice dome-shaped muffins. It helps muffins rise better. Bake 22 to 25 minutes. For doming, start at 375 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, then lower to 350 Fahrenheit. Muffins are ready. It looks so tasty as it is. Would you eat this plain or with frosting? Let me know. Let's make a silky, rich chocolate buttercream for decoration today. Melt and whisk 120 grams of butter, 60 grams of powdered sugar, 50 grams of melted chocolate, add 20 grams of cream. Make sure your butter is at room temperature. If your buttercream starts looking too soft and runny, it might be getting too warm. The sweet spot for working with chocolate buttercream is between 70 to 75 Fahrenheit. If it's too soft, pop it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoying the video? Like and subscribe for more cozy bakes. Chocolate ganache is optional. Melt 40 grams of couverture chocolate and 30 grams of cream. The ideal temperature for chocolate ganache is 93 Fahrenheit. Soft, rich, and chocolatey. What topping would you try? Peanut? Caramel? Nothing? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like, comments, and subscribe for more chocolatey goodness.